Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, you are most definitely welcome to my channel. As you can see, I'm holding this eyelashes app because I love it. I tried it for the very first time and I'm in love with it. I'm gonna leave all the details down below in my description box, and this is Lashed Out by Rachel. Let's get into this video. So today's video is a red smoky eye makeup tutorial, and all the products are listed down below. I am going to be using the NYX Photo-Loving Primer to prime my face. The first item I'll be using is Black Opal, and it's in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and you can see that it's a little lighter than my skin tone, but don't worry, I'm gonna fix that. So it's a full coverage foundation. I'm going to be using that as the first layer. I will go ahead and use the Maybelline Fit Me Deep Golden in the shade 368 and apply that on top of my Black Opal Beautiful Bronze just to make my skin tone look more natural. I'll go ahead and use my LA Pro Face Press Powder in Cocoa and set all my foundation down. So now I'll go ahead and contour my face with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, and I'm using it on the parts of my face that light hits, which is under my eye, above my lips, and my chin. I'll go ahead and do my forehead as well later in the video. Now I will be using a slightly damped beauty blender to blend it all in with my foundation. So now I will be using the Black OPAL True Color Foundation Stick in the shade Mocha to contour my face, just so my face looks a little more snatched and slimmer. I'm a big fan of beauty blending sponges, so that is what I always use to blend my concealer and my contour. So I dump it a little bit in water and go ahead and blend my foundation or my contour and concealer. Now I'll go ahead and use my Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder in the shade Medium to set my concealer. For my eyeshadow, I'm using Beauty Glazed 35 eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the burgundy as my transition color and also the base for the rest of the eyeshadow. Oops, I think I forgot something. I have to do my eyebrows. So I'm going to be using the Profusion Eyebrow Kit, and I'm using the spoolie to brush my eyebrow to the desired way I want it. So I'm brushing it all up. And now I will be using the Profusion Clear Brow Gel to set my eyebrows, just to make it easier to apply the products. Now I'll go back into the kits and use their darkest shade of the eyebrow powder and apply it to my eyebrow to the desired shape I want. Now I will be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn to clean out the bottom part of my eyebrows. Go ahead and use my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Chestnut for the upper part of my eyebrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush it all in and blend it with my foundation using any regular brush just to make it look even and seamless. Now I'll get back to my eyeshadow, and I'll be using Glazed Beauty 35 eyeshadow palettes, and I'm gonna go ahead and use their brown shade to, you know, transition into the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my NYX Soft Matte Cream in the shade Monte Carlo as the base of my eyeshadow. I want my red smoky eye to pop, so I used that first, and I went into my MAC Neutral eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the shimmery burgundy in there for my eyeshadow. Now I'll go ahead and use my Hard Candy Glitter palette, and I'm using Rock My World. So I'll be using the Rock My World to line the upper part of my eyeshadow. Whew. Now I'll be using my e.l.f. Jet Black eyeliner to line my eye. Now I'll go back in with my one and only black waterline pencil, and I'll use that just in my waterline. I'm gonna go ahead and use another shade from the Beauty Glazed 35 eyeshadow palette, and I'm using red just the bottom of my waterline to make it more smoky. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my e.l.f. black lengthening and volumizing mascara, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to both my upper and my lower eyelashes. After I was done applying my mascara, I went ahead and brushed off the excess powder I used from the black OPAL Fix powder. I'm just gonna brush it all off, and I'm getting to my favorite part of this whole makeup session. So guys, look at these lashes. Oh my god, this lashes is from Lashed Out by Rachel, and I mentioned it in my intro. These lashes are absolutely stunning, and you will see how it will transform my makeup after I apply them. So the details to purchase is down below in my description box, so make sure you check it out because these lashes really did the job. So now I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face, and first I will be using that shade right there. Is the gold shade from my BH Cosmetic Carly by Belle 21 color eyeshadow and highlighter palette, and is the gold shimmery powder thing, and I'm gonna use that to highlight my eyebrow bone, my nose, my cheeks, my lips as well. I'm gonna go in with my black Radiance Baked blush, and this is in the shade Toasted Almond to blush my face, just to make my face pop even better. Well, now to finish the look, I have to do my lips, so I'll be using my Wet n Wild brown lip pencil to line my lips, give it a transition. For my lip gloss, I'll be using from Forever 21 High Shine Lip Gloss line, and I'm using the shade Taupe. This is the final look, and I hope you guys love it. Oh my god, I really love this look. This is the most dramatic makeup I've ever done in my entire life, and I absolutely love it. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. Please subscribe before you leave, like, share, comment, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notification anytime I post. Alright guys, I love you for watching. Bye.